This man was just waiting for the perfect chance to escape, and the moment the officer lost focus, he made his move, turning it into a wild chase.
When you in cuffs, what I do? We about to find out. Every 2-8, I'm under control. 46. No! Every 2-8, I'm winning. Boulevard, cross over 1960. He's on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. No. Okay. Get on the ground. Give me your hand. Turn around. Get up. Okay. Turn around. Yes, sir. Turn around. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.